Hello friends, welcome to the 8th video of 10 days 10 videos challenge. This video is about anti-rain or anti-fog ORVM films. So this is the anti-fog film for my ORVM that I've purchased at a very nominal price from Amazon. You can also get it very easily online. Now let us see how to install this on the car ORVM. At first, let me show you the packet contents. This packet contains 2 anti-rain or anti-fog films, dust absorber stickers, 2 wipes, 1 wet and 1 dry, anti-dust cloth and 1 bubble remover. At first, you need to clean the rear view mirror. I have used the dust absorber sticker first. Then I have used the wet wipe, followed by the dry wipe to be absolutely sure that no dust remains on the mirror. Finally, I have used the anti-dust cloth for a squeaky clean finish. Now we will apply the film. If you take the film, you can see that there are 2 sides. One is the back side and other is the front side. Sprinkle some water on the mirror first. This will ensure that the film gets stuck effectively. Then peel off the back film. Now stick the front film properly with the front sticker on top. Now gently peel off the front film. Remove any bubbles that have been formed and you would be done. So it's that simple. I hope you would like this video. Please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll again meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, sanitize well, wear masks. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.